Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put text watermark in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then show the Excel document from the shall I insert this? Start from the adjust in the watermark text. Now put text watermark is from the going to the insert menu option. Now click for the text box option. Now create a text box. Now type from the text. This text from the font size. This text from the sense other color. Now click for the format option. Now click for the shape text fill option. Then choose color and text outline. That's it. Now shape fill color is the no fill. Then text from the text watermark is this text from the text effect option. Now click for the that's it. That is. Then I show the text watermark in the Microsoft Excel. This behind text is the then click for the format option. That's it. Then I show the put text watermark in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.